A magnitude 6.4 earthquake struck off the coast of Sumatra, Indonesia, early Friday morning, damaging over 100 homes but causing no report injuries according to the United States Geological Survey. The earthquake occurred at 2:52 a.m. local time, with its epicenter located offshore near Bengkulu province and depth of 68 kilometers. The USGS reported. Indonesia's meteorological agency, however, recorded the earthquake at a magnitude 6.0 and a depth of 84 kilometers, adding that it posed on tsunami risks. According to the Abdul Muhairi, spokesman for Indonesia's National Disaster Mitigation Agency, the earthquake damaged more than 100 plus homes and at least 6 public buildings in the city of Bengkulu. In Bengkulu city, 140 houses were affected, 8 of which collapsed beyond repair, he said during a Friday press briefing in central Bengkulu district. 2 homes sustained major damage, he added. No casualties had been reported as of Friday morning.